Come on, pussy. Let's cut up. Come on. Come on. You don't want it. You don't want it. You don't want it. Little ass ass. I'm on your ass, boy. Come here. Cut up. Pussy ass. Let me through there. I had to break the news, but nobody heard it. Yo. That 12 back there? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh! Get your foot, nigga! Get your foot, nigga! Hold on, I gotta make this. Oh my God. Oh my God, I can make it. Okay, this shit lined up. Headband on, screen showing. Let me see. All right, bet. Hey, man. YouTube. I know it done been a little minute since we done did one of these, but I'm leaving the gym, so don't even worry while I'm in this fucking parking lot and shit. Y'all know we finna go on a nice little POV cut up, man. It's been too long. This the first cut up we got since I done straight pipe my shit. I don't know if y'all can see this, chat, but I ain't gonna lie, bro. My tire just balding like shit, especially in like the back, bro. So if them Jakes get behind us, hey, we gonna pray for the best. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I ain't even finna yap y'all heads off too much. Let's get straight into this cut up, man. Hold on, Sean. Him? Y'all know I keep the, you know what I'm saying? Striker, no striking. I'll be damn, I leave the gym and whoa. Rod trying to get us copyrighted. That nigga geeked up. Nigga's overly geeked. Hold on, let me cut this joint on. Pause that. Bro, chill the fuck out. Alright, this joint's still recording though, right? Alright, say no more. Yo, let's get into this cut up. Hey, chat, I just hit the gym with my pops, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I'm feeling great. I ain't been in the gym since like January. I ain't even gonna fake it. So, boom. We in that bill. It was a smooth little leg there. I'm like, fuck it. Let me put 225 on the bar. Let me see if I can hit that hoe. Boy, I just hit that shit. Not with ease, bro, but that bitch was kinda with ease. I ain't gonna fake it to you. That shit was kinda with some ease. Y'all know the neighborhoods and shit, we gonna call it. Once we get on that turnpike though, it's finna be a crazy scene, bro. Y'all know how this shit get. Track mode Davy, Hellcat Davy, all that shit in the comments down below, bro. Oh, it's looking like it's hella bro! Do better. I ain't did a little cut up for y'all in a minute, so hopefully y'all enjoy this joint. Every time I do a cut up though, I ain't gonna lie, them bitches get numbers. They do numbers, and I'm trying to get monetized, so yeah, I'm finna crank them. I'm finna get the, ooh, shit, I'm finna get the cranking these bitches. Also, chat, comment down below, let me know, y'all think I should get one of them 360 cameras that's like in the back and shit? Let me know in the comments down below. I be thinking about getting shit, but I be like, I don't know, bro. That shit could be kind of ass. Cause like, niggas that get the smooth ass cut ups, but the quality on them cameras be fucking terrible. Y'all know I got the headband set up. If I do a cut up with my camera, I probably need like a little cameraman in the back seat, some shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Oh my God. Oh yeah, traffic dicking. So I'm gonna catch y'all boys when we like getting on the highway. I don't even feel like sitting here and yapping y'all heads off. I ain't gonna fake it. Alright, y'all, I told y'all I was gonna start the clip, you know what I'm saying, when I was cutting up and shit. But I forgot to tell y'all to like, comment, and sub. Like, how the fuck I start the intro? And I don't think I told y'all to like, comment, or sub yet. So make sure y'all do that down below, bruh. What else I got to say to y'all boys? Hey, chat, we just hit 9K subs. Probably like, 2 weeks ago. Nah, I ain't gonna cap. It was like 3 weeks ago, chat. We hit 9K the day I dropped my last vid. Not that hooping video, but the one before that. And I ain't post for 30 days, chat. I lost like 11 subs, bro. I gotta lock the fuck in, stay in my consistent Duffy. So y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all want to see me post, bro. Cause I don't know. I'm gonna do a mixture of like car content. If I go hoop, I'm gonna drop a vid. If I go shopping, I'm gonna just vlog it. I'm really just trying to get y'all my whole life pretty much. But right now, I don't really do shit, bruh. Stay in the crib. I be getting galaxies and shit, bro. Y'all know I'm a TikTok streamer, bro. So like 9 times out of 10, I'm in the crib streaming. I just got back into the gym, bro. I ain't been in the gym since like January, some shit like that. So thank God I can still hit 225, you know what I'm saying? Even though you ain't in the gym, that don't mean you're not working out, bro. I still be hitting my push-ups. I got my little 35s and niggas still getting swole. Hopefully y'all can see that, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we trying to get our gains, bro. Summer coming up. And if she look, she took. You know how this shit get, bro. I'm finna be in the pool parties popping my shit. Gazer! Gazer! Ooh, we have 5 minutes and the real cut up ain't even started. Nah, I got like 2 minutes to cut out. Chad, I gotta add the better lights in here. Cause hold on, let me cut these lights on. Y'all see how you can't even see them? Hold on, let me change the color. I'm gonna change to like green. You see how you can't see that shit at all? You can see it a little bit in that corner. But like in the daytime, you can't see it. So yeah, real soon I'm actually gonna be buying those better lights. And soon I'm finna be getting my dog Jasmine to install them stars in my roof, chat. Cause that nigga Jerry's got them bitches. Oh my god. Them bitches is raw. I can't fake it, chat. Dave, you're on the highway. Why the fuck are you still in Eco? That's a great question. Also, oh, this the first cut up with my shit straight pipe. So y'all really finna hear a difference. I think I done did vids with it before, but I ain't just did a cut up. Alright, let's get straight to it, nigga. Hey, chat, what y'all think? Y'all think I should cut that? Nah, this nigga speeding up. Like, what are you speeding up for, dickhead? Don't get smacked. What's that bitch? Now, time to unleash. Hold on. Let me shut this real quick. Cause I'm already knowing that airflow be fucking up the air. Nah, we ain't gonna shut that. I kinda fuck with the sunroof. Hey, chat, let me know. Y'all fucking with the sunroof? Yay or nay? Hopefully it's a little like 5.0, a little GT, something to catch me in traffic, you feel me? Y'all know we be bullying cyber trucks, little GT Dart. That shit looks so duped out, bruh. Like, if you a dude and you got that car, there's so much better shit you could have bought with that money, bro. Oh my God. Bro, that straight pipe sounds so beautiful. Y'all know my custom modes, we go track. I only go street on the transmission. Not transmission, but the fucking traction. Bro, you keep that shit in track mode, it basically cut it off. I ain't gonna lie to y'all boys. That shit cut it off, bro. Your ass be slipping and sliding. Okay. Oh, I got the speed limit in here. Hey, chat, if y'all not aware, this shit is all AI, by the way. Yes, this is AI cut-ups. Damn, I should have kept in that left lane. You think he gonna slow down and let me cut it? Should I make him? Fuck it, come on. We trying to bully traffic, not let traffic bully us. Let me through there. I had to break the news, but nobody heard it, yo. That 12 back there? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh! Get your foot, nigga! Get your foot, nigga! Hold on, I gotta make this. Oh my God. Oh my God, I can make it. I can make it. No! Alright, chat. What the fuck? That nigga catching up. Alright, y'all know I tried to get that intro clip. I could have really made that bitch, but I gotta get the intro clip. Y'all know how that shit get. You know what I'm saying? Just chop that bitch up, throw it at the intro. Now everybody watch it. Y'all know I'm a clickbait legend. I'm not taking these niggas on chases, on film. Come on now, bro. Y'all know better. I just gotta get my little clickbait, get my 1,000+ views. Y'all know I'm trying to get a check, bro. I ain't buy this scat for nothing. Red guts. Good luck, buddy. And like, I don't know, chat. I can't stand going to car meets, bro. Like, I just don't fuck with randoms. Hold on, let me get my thumbnail. Now, hold on, chat. I really need to get like a second car for like B-roll. One of my partners in traffic with me, shit like that. My nigga D-Mark been out and about. I can't fake it. Y'all know a nigga got his shit that go back. My car, that bitch just yell. You know, nothing too crazy. His shit get to shooting. Hey, should I go Hellcat on a nigga? Have my shit wand and shoot? Like, listen to my shit now. Like, that shit ain't that. Oh my god. Do y'all see that traffic up there? I hope I'm zooming in right. Y'all know I got this shit on my head. Do y'all see this fucking traffic? Say you swear to God. Like, bro, if I'm on the turnpike that the speed limit 80, I should never be having to drive 20 miles, bro. Coming to complete stops. Like, how the fuck? Unless it's a crash up there, bro, niggas be dickheads when it come to traffic, bro. I swear. Oh, this probably gonna be a cut up 530 traffic. Outrunning the Jakes in 530 traffic, some shit like that. Okay. I know some real demons that'll cut that shit, and they cutting that shit. I know some real demons out here. Am I one of them? Nah, bruh. I like the speed and shit, though. But risking that? No, sir. Hey, if y'all made it to this point in the video, comment SRT track. You know what I'm saying? That let me know y'all really watched this shit all the way, you know what I'm saying? Well, the video not over yet, but you get the gist, bro. You made it to the 11 minute point. That's probably cap, because I probably trimmed some shit out and some more shit. Y'all know me personally, I'm just trying to get back into the habit of picking up the camera, dropping a vid, bro. Dropping a vid. Because lately I've been bullshitting, bro. And I done spent, bro, I can't even tell y'all how much money. 10K plus on this YouTube shit. So I gotta get this shit jumping. Niggas done bought a Scat. Niggas done modded the Scat. Niggas done bought cameras, laptops, all type of shit. Editing softwares. And you know what I'm saying? We just gotta trust the process, bro. I already know this shit not gonna happen overnight. I'm not just finna post a video that bitch gonna hit 10 million. But I gotta post. Niggas be bullshitting. Alright, bro, don't get smacked. Niggas be bullshitting. I really don't be having ideas from time to time, bro. Either I have ideas, or I don't have ideas, or I have an idea that I don't even feel like acting on. Like, it'll be some nut shit. Stay tuned, though. I think soon I'm finna do blind dates in the Scat. Comment down below. Let me know if y'all fucking with that idea. Like, I'll probably get one of my partners. Get some overly bad shit. You know, fine shit, thick shit, all that shit. You know what I'm talking about? Slap him on a blind date. I get in the back. You know what I'm saying? Instigate a little bit. Get that shit popping. Then leave the car. You know, Lob City Davy. Okay, y'all fucking with them a little bit. I done dropped like 3 of those. Okay, fuck it. Now I'm finna go on a blind date. Gazer. Yeah, let me know in the chat if y'all fucking with that idea, bro. Let me know if y'all want me to, you know what I'm saying, get that shit popping. We can switch this shit from car content to sharking shit down real soon. Come on now, bro. Honestly, I got to talking, so I forgot this was a cut up. So I've been driving like 60. Let me drive like reckless real quick. I got y'all. I know that's what y'all like to see. Should I hit the fart? Nah, I ain't even gonna do it. I ain't gonna do it. That bitch, I don't think I ever slapped that in my Duffy. Alright, yeah, let's just go behind that little mirror and bully him a little bit. Come on, pussy. Let's cut up. Come on. You don't want it. Little ass ass. I'm on your ass, boy. Come here. Cut up. Pussy ass. Mopop, baby. Mopop. You went the wrong way. Shotty. But, I was finna wrap this shit up because we damn right at the exit, but I'm gonna just wrap it up when I get to the exit. Fuck is we talking about? Hey, I'm trying to post daily, so this video literally gonna get dropped today. What day is it? I think it's March 13th, if I'm not mistaken, some shit like that. It's Thursday, March 13th, I believe. So chat, let me know what y'all want me to drop tomorrow. let me know what video y'all want to see tomorrow. I will get that shit up and out for y'all boys, for real. That'll wrap up this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. If y'all not tapped in with me on Instagram, la.davy, make sure, you know what I'm saying, follow me on the gram. I need my clout on all platforms. And yeah, that's gonna wrap up this video. I appreciate y'all for watching this shit. Remember, if y'all made it, if you made it to the very, very end, the very, very fucking end, chat, comment Black Star. You know what I'm saying? Comment Black Star if you made it to the end. I love y'all boys, and I'm gonna catch y'all later. I'm gonna catch y'all later. Kaiser. Hey, that little ass ST slow.